Okay, here we go. All right, Zydeco. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 on your right is right, left, stop, right, 4, 2, left, up, right, back, back, left, 2, 3, right, back. Repeat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick right, left, kick right, 4, 2, left, up, right, back, left, 2, 3, right, back. Now you're going to do a half turn, cha-cha, on your right foot to your left. And it's right, left, right. Okay, you're going to take your left foot back, step back on your left foot. You're going to do a half turn to your right shoulder, starting on your left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you go step back on your right foot one more time, and then you do a quarter turn to your left on your right. Right, left. And it starts all over. 5, 6, 7, kick. Right, left, stomp. Right, 4, 2. Left, up. Right, back, go back. Left, 2, 3. Right, back. Now you're going to turn to your left on your right foot for 3 steps. Go. Right, left, right. Half turn. Left foot back. Go do the same thing. Go to your right. Start on your left foot. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, right, left. You go back on your right foot one more time. Quarter turn to your left wall. Right, left. Alright? Starting over. 5, 6, 7, kick. Right, left. Stomp. Right, 4, 2. Left, up. Right, back. Come back left. 1, 2, 3. Right. Now you're going to turn to your left, half turn, starting on your right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Left foot back, do a whole half turn to your right shoulder, starting on your left foot. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, right, left. Okay, then your right foot come back again. Now you're getting ready to start over because you're going to your next wall to your left shoulder. Go. Right, left. Starting all over. 5, 6, 7, kick. Right, left, stomp. Right for 2. Left, up, right, back. Come back. 1, 2, 3. Right, back. And turn left. 1, 2, 3. Left, back. Turn right on your left. 1, 2, 3. Right, back. Quarter turn. Right, left. Okay, now let's work on the half turns. Your right foot is back. You're going to start on your right. What way you going? Left. Half turn, right? For 3 steps and 3 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. Half turn. We're doing half turn cha-cha. Okay, left foot back. You turn it to what way? To your right. Hold your right arm out. All right, 3 steps. 5, 6, 7 on your left. Go. 1, 2, 3. Right back. Okay. Start to the next wall. Bam. We're just doing the cha-cha turns. Right foot back. Half turn to your left. Let's go. And right, left, right. Left foot back. Half turn, go. Left. Left, right, left. Right foot back. Quarter turn. Alright, we're going again. We're doing a half turn. Right foot back. 5, 6, 7, turn left. Go. 1, 2, 3. Left back. Bam. Turn to your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3. Right foot back. Quarter turn to your left. Now, go. Now start from the top. 5, 6, 7, kick. Right, left, stomp. Right, 4, 2. Left, up, right, back. Left, back, 3. Right, back. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Left, back. turn, 1, 2, 3, right, back, quarter turn, right, left, kick, right, left, stomp, right, 4, 2, left, up, right, back, 2, 3, right, back, turn, left, left, back, turn, right, half turn, 1, 2, 3, right, back, quarter turn, right, left, kick, right, left, and stomp, 4, 2, left, up, back, left, 2, 3, right, back, turn, left, 1, 2, 3, left, back, turn, right, 1, 2, 3, right, back, quarter turn, right, the inward.